the silent killer of the jungle. Besnui. Intro, dark jungle sound, plus wolf howl. It's a dark, silent night. The forest is asleep, and suddenly a chilling howl echoes through the air. A whoa! That sound doesn't belong to any ordinary creature. It belongs to the wolf, the most dangerous and intelligent hunter of the jungle. Seen, wolf walking slowly in fog. The wolf is a creature that never hunts alone. It hunts in a pack, like a trained army of killers. A single pack has 6 to 10 wolves, and when they move together, nothing in their path survives. Every move is calculated, every step deadly. Wayam, scene, hunting moment. A wolf's mind is sharper than a computer. First, they spot their prey. Then they make a plan. And finally, they attack. Together, just like a perfect trap. One wolf chases from behind. Another cuts the prey's path. And the rest strike from every side. Within seconds, the hunt is over. Scene. Close-up eyes, plus dangerous background. There's a strange glow in their eyes. They can see even in total darkness. Their sense of smell is so powerful. They can detect their prey from nearly 10 kilometers away. They are cold, clever, and unstoppable predators. Chate Kane, Chate Ladisin Risarkani. Scene, howling moment, emotional yet scary tone. When a wolf howls in the night, the entire jungle goes silent. Because every creature knows the hunt has begun. Vish Sinishini. Ending cinematic slow voice. Plus music fades. They say, if you ever hear a wolf's cry deep in the jungle at night, never turn around. Because the real hunt doesn't start where the sound comes from. It starts right behind you. This was Wolf, the silent killer of the jungle. If you love learning about dangerous animals, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling stories.